Good morning, children. How are you? Fine. Okay. Are you doing the classwork? Are you writing homework questions? Yes, children. Today, already I have completed lesson 1. I have completed lesson 1, that is Introduction to Chemistry. Introduction to Chemistry. Here, in that lesson, book pages, that book exercises have not completed. So today you complete that page. Okay. So everybody take for book and take for book page number 11. Everybody take for book. Take page number 11. Okay. Did you take your book? Did you take page number 11? Okay. Take fast. Tick the correct option. First one, tick the correct option. First question, a chemical compound used for washing and curing of cuts and wounds is dash. Mercurochrome. The answer is C. Mercurochrome. Then second question, the chemical used to increase soil fertility is. The fourth answer is given: urea, hydrochloric acid, calcium hydroxide, common salt. Which is the answer? Urea. Which is the answer? Urea. So the answer is A. Next question. The scientist who first prepared chlorine is dash. The scientist who first prepared chlorine is Antoine Liouville, Carl Wilhelm Scheele, Johann Kunkel, John Baptist von Helmont. So which is answer? Carl Wilhelm Scheele. So the answer is B. So the answer is B. Next, the word chemistry comes from dash. The word chemistry comes from. Four answer is given. So which is the correct answer? Alchemy. That is D. Next, Henry Cavendish is credited with the preparation of. Henry Cavendish is credited with the preparation of hydrogen. So the answer is C. The next we will see fill in the blanks answer. Okay. Now fill in the blanks. The study of plants is known as botany. The study of plants is known as botany. You write botany. B-O-T-A-N-Y. B-O-T-A-N-Y. Botany. Write fast, children. Use your pen and write this. You should write neatly. Okay. Second question. The word chemistry came from dash. Alchemy. A-L-C-H-E-M-Y. Alchemy. The word chemistry came from alchemy. Third one. The branch of chemistry dealing with the study of specific carbon compounds is called dash. Chemistry. C-H-E-M-I-S-T-R-Y. Chemistry. Then compounds for carrying out painless surgical operations are known as anesthetics. What is that? Anesthetics. A-N-A-S-T-H-E-T-I-C-S. Anesthetics. How to read? Anesthetics. Write the spelling. Write correct spelling. Fifth question. Compounds added to improve the fertility of soil. Compounds added to improve the fertility of soil are called dash. Urea. U-R-E-A. Urea. Then next, Tincture of Dove is used for washing and curing of cuts and wounds. Tincture of iodine. Tincture of iodine. TINCTUREOFIODINE. First tincture TINCTURE. Tincture of OF iodine IODINE. Tincture of iodine. The next, cooking food is all about dash. Chemistry. 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 The next, 8th question we will see now. Now, 8th question. Dash and dash are two main branches of chemistry: organic and inorganic. Organic, inorganic. Organic spelling ORGANIC. Organic. Inorganic INORGANIC. Inorganic. Answer: organic and inorganic. The next, 9th question. A dog is one who engages in the pursuit of scientific knowledge. Answer: scientist. Write fast, children. Scientist. 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 Next, the last question in the fill in blank. Look at that. Dash, dash and dash are three main branches of science: physics, chemistry, biology. Physics, chemistry, biology. PHYSICS. Physics. Chemistry. 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 Biology. 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 Write fast, children. Write fast. The next, write true or false for each statement. Write true or false for each statement. Whether if it is true, you should write true. TRUE. You should not write T. If it is false, you should write FALSE. You should not write F. Okay, children? Did you understand this? Okay. Now, write true or false. Mendeleev arranged elements in increasing order of atomic number. Mendeleev arranged elements in increased order of atomic number. True. Second question. Urea is used for killing insects. Urea is used for killing insects. False. FALSE. Third question. Ammonia was known as alkaline air. Ammonia was known as alkaline air. True. Oxygen was discovered by heating lead oxide. Heating lead oxide. False. Inorganic chemistry included the study of specific carbon compounds. Inorganic chemistry included the study of specific carbon compounds. False. The next, Henry Cavendish in 1776 prepared hydrogen in pure state. True. Henry Cavendish in 1776 prepared hydrogen in pure state. True. Next, chemicals can be both naturally occurred and human made. Chemicals can be both naturally occurred and human made. True. Chemicals are the building blocks of life. True. Antoine Loisel is credited with the discovery of nitrogen. False. 10th question. Mortar, cement and glass are some food materials that are obtained through chemicals. True. 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 The next, sorry, I will, the 9th, 10th, it is not printed. Sorry, children. 9th question. Antoine Loisel is credited with the discovery of nitrogen. False. FALSE. Right. FALSE. Then 10th question. Mortar, cement and glass are some food materials that are obtained through chemicals. true, TRUE. Okay, the next, match the following. Match the following. Match the following. Listen, the answer. You look at the answer. That side you mark 2, 4, 1, 5, 3. Now organic specific carbon compound, LPG, liquefied petroleum gas. Chemicals for killing weeds, herbicides, inhibit bacterial growth, antibiotics, make the body part insensible, anesthetics. Okay, children. Now give reasons for the following. Give reasons for the following. That is your homework. Okay, that is your homework. In that homework note, you write these questions. And answer it with 1 or 2 lines. Okay, answer them with 1 or 2 lines. 2 lines. Don't write the answer as a paragraph. Only 1 or 2 lines is enough for that. Okay, children. That 5 questions are homework. Now next you come. Everybody take your classwork. Now everybody take your classwork note. Write the classwork. Now before that you write lesson 1 and lesson name. What is the lesson name? Introduction to chemistry. Introduction to chemistry. Introduction to, already you divided, you take one note divided into 3. One part is for chemistry, another one part is for physics, another one part for biology. Now which part you are writing chemistry, that part you take fast. You first write lesson 1, after that lesson name, then leave 1 line, then you write answer the following questions in 1 or 2 lines. Answer the following questions in 1 or 2 lines. After you write this question, what are antibiotics? What are antibiotics? You get ready, children, fast. Okay, now what are antibiotics? Chemical compounds used to inhibit bacterial growth. Chemical compounds used to inhibit bacterial growth. Right, fast, children. What are antibiotics? Chemical compounds used to inhibit bacterial growth. Inhibit the bacterial growth first and then destroy them. Inhibit the bacterial growth first and then destroy them. Chemical compounds used to inhibit bacterial growth first and then destroy them. This is the answer. Okay. The next, name the 3 branches of science. Name the 3 branches of science. Physics, chemistry and biology. Physics, chemistry and biology. Next, right, fast. What does organic chemistry deal with? What does organic chemistry deal with? These all questions may come for one word type of question. May come for one word type of question. Okay, or 2 mark question. What does organic chemistry deal with? Organic chemistry deals with the study of specific carbon compound. Organic chemistry deals with the study of specific carbon compounds. Organic spelling ORGANIC. Organic chemistry CHEMISTRY. Carbon CARBON. Carbon. Okay children, write fast children, write neatly. Write fast and write neatly. Then next question we will write now. Now, what are fungicides? What are fungicides? Chemical compounds are used for destroying fungi which also destroy crops. Chemical compounds are used for destroying fungi which also destroy crops. The next question, that is question number 5. Give two examples of fertilizers. Urea, ammonium phosphate. Next, name the scientist who is credited with the discovery of the gas which we inhale during respiration. Very easy. Joseph Priestley. J-O-S. First letter should be in capital letter. Joseph. J is a capital letter. J-O-S-E-P-H. Then Priestley. P is a capital letter. P-R-I-E-S-T-L-Y. How to read? Joseph Priestley. Then 7th question. Name the gas also known as alkaline air. Ammonia. What is that? Ammonia. A-M-M-O-N-I-A. Ammonia. The next, name the various compounds used in building materials. Write fast children. Now, 8th question. Name the various compounds used in building material. Answer: mortar, cement and glass. Then 9th question. What is formula of urea? This answer is in page number 7. Everybody take page number 7. Look at that heading, fertilizer. In that, for example, urea is given. That formula, you write only formula. Within the bracket is given NH2CO NH2. You write that children. Then next question. How did Carl Wilhelm prepare chlorine? Prepared chlorine by heating hydrochloric acid with manganese dioxide. The next question. Get ready for detailed questions. Now, what do you understand by science? The study of knowledge about physical world and natural laws. Full stop. One of the subjects into which science can be divided. One of the subject in which science can be divided. Very easy. The study of knowledge about physical world and natural law. One of the subject into which science can be divided. Then second question. What does the branch of chemistry deal with? What does the branch of chemistry deal with? The branch of chemistry deals with the study of substance, which includes its composition, methods of preparation and reactions. The branch of chemistry deals with the study of substance, which includes its composition, methods of preparation and reactions. Then third question. What are the two main branches of chemistry? What are the two main branches of chemistry? Explain. What are the two main branches of chemistry? Inorganic chemistry and organic chemistry. Inorganic chemistry and organic chemistry. Inorganic chemistry, which includes the study of elements and compounds present in the periodic table. Inorganic compounds, which includes the study of elements and compounds. Study of elements and compounds present in the periodic table. Organic chemistry, which includes spelling wrong, INCLUDES, INCLUDES includes the study of specific carbon compounds, mainly made up of carbon and hydrogen, along with heteroatoms. Hetero spelling HETERO. Heteroatoms, ATOMS. Okay, children, did you write this? Write fast, children. Write fast. Now, fourth question. What is the importance of chemistry in following fields? What is the importance of chemistry in following field? A. Agriculture. Agriculture chemistry has helped. In agriculture, chemistry has helped to boost agriculture by improving crop yield due to the use of various compound. Then medicine. Chemistry has helped man in discovering a large number of chemical compounds used for curing various diseases. Then everyday products, paper, ink, rubber, etc. can be prepared. Okay, thank you, children. Then only one more question is there. Now, fifth question. Name the chemist who contributed towards each of the following theories or discoveries. This answer you can write in your book also. Classification, otherwise you can write in home classwork also. You listen. You may write book you may write in book, or you may write in classwork note. This question. First listen. A. Classification of substances into organic and inorganic compounds. Antoine Louis. ANTOINE LAVOISIER. Antoine Louis. Second, modern periodic table in which elements are arranged in increasing order of atomic number. Modern periodic table in which elements are arranged in increasing order of atomic number. Mendeleev. Mendelleev apostrophe s, Mendeleev. Then, by the action of hot and concentrated sulfuric acid on mercury, obtain sulfur dioxide. By the action of hot and concentrated sulfuric acid on mercury, obtained sulfur dioxide. Obtained sulfur dioxide. Joseph Priestley. Joseph Priestley. J-O-S-E-P-H. Joseph Priestley. P-R-I-E-S-T-L-E-Y. Then studied the air respired by animals. Daniel Rutherford. Daniel Rutherford. D-A-N-I-E-L. Daniel Rutherford. R-U-T-H-E-R-F-O-R-D. Then discovered carbon dioxide. Discovered carbon dioxide. The D here is not there. You write discovered carbon dioxide. John Baptist Van Helmont. John Baptist Van Helmont. J-A-N. John Baptist. Baptist. B-A-P-T-I-S-T. Baptist Van. B-A-N. Helmont. H-E-L-M-O-N-T. Okay children, thank you. Today you write this all questions in your classwork and you mark like one word question in the book. Yes children, you study them. Okay, I will ask question. I will ask you question. You should ready with answer. You should ready with answer. Okay children. Okay, we will meet again through the next video. Thank you children.